Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Stag voiceover. My name is Neil Glasgow. So it's been a minute since I made a video, but forgive me, it's been for a very good reason. I've had a lot on, and what it has afforded me the opportunity to do is finally build my studio back to where I wanted it to be. I had to sacrifice my studio space for family reasons and all sorts, but essentially it was a bedroom for quite some time. But with me reclaiming it, and a lot of you have actually asked me on Discord and a few other platforms and on here, what the studio looks like, what the booth looks like everywhere a little bit outside of here. So I did the YouTube thing. I'm feeding the YouTube algorithms, and I have documented building my booth. Now, the only thing you missed out on, because I forgot to set the camera up properly, was painting. You're not missing much, but everything else, it shows you what I've got as a setup for my booth, how I put this particular booth together, and ultimately, I hope it does help, especially when some of you have been reaching out to me to find out if this style of booth is worth it for you. So, mini montage, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. that's it. That is my studio. That is my booth. There's a little bit of soundproofing I need to do on the outside of the booth for some upcoming podcast work that I'm doing. Stay tuned for that. But I hope this has been entertaining, helpful in any way. And I will be back far more regularly talking about all the stuff that you need to know and you want to know all around voiceover. And remember, been a while, you can absolutely be a voiceover artist. I'll see you in the next video.